Okay, so for those of you that had questions about the room, this is our unit 110 at Coral Shores, right outside of the pool. And then this is the front door. You can see there's the hot tub there. These people are wondering why I'm filming that. So you come in and there's like this little breezeway thing to the kitchen. So this year they redid a ton of stuff. Like we got new, the sofa sleeper is brand new. The carpet's being replaced in a couple months. You can see there's a view out to the pool. And then out to the hot tub. We keep it closed during the day because I don't want people looking at me. The living room set, or the, whatever, what's that called, Malia? The dining set should be here, but we pushed it back because the kids were playing. They replaced all the kitchen appliances and kitchen cabinets this year too, so all of that stuff is new in the kitchen, which is nice because some of it was a little dated before, I'm not gonna lie. So there is a closet here that has the air conditioner thing and the vacuum, and then this is just an open closet you can use for storage, and there's extra bedding up there. Bathroom, don't mind my mess. Little shower. Me. And then this is the bedroom. The sofa sleeper also pulls out into a bedroom, so you've got a door here that we don't ever use because who goes in and out of the bedroom. But they replaced all the furniture in here and new mattresses. So like everything in the unit is pretty much new within the past year. And then the carpet will be replaced in a couple months. So this is the unit. We have week 31. It is part of RCI, so you can trade out if you didn't want to use this specific unit, this specific week. You can trade it out with other RCI stuff. But this is the unit that we have available in North Redington Beach.